Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Terraform Cloud step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Terraform Cloud website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner. Choose the appropriate account type based on your needs. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Click on the Create an Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from HashiCorp. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. You will be redirected to a Terraform Cloud setup page. Enter your organization name in the specified box. Choose your workspace name or accept the default option. Click on the Create Organization button to finalize your setup. Proceed to fill out any additional information as prompted. Review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Click on Continue to move to your Terraform Cloud dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. You are now successfully registered with Terraform Cloud. Congratulations, you can start managing your infrastructure using Terraform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.